welcome to JCT's Fascinating Hobbies. The other evening I decided to take a trip back to 1985 using my special time machine, which I so have, and I met a guy in a pub and exchanged a load of stolen VCRs. Obviously that didn't happen because unfortunately for me, time travel back to the 1980s is not yet a possibility. What I did get, though, was a very kind donation from a subscriber of these rather interesting VCRs. So what we have here is we've got two Ferguson 3V22s, which I'm looking forward to taking a look at. We've got one of the earliest Philips VHS machines, but after they'd largely abandoned the Video 2000 format. We also have rather interesting multi-standard Sony T7 ME, I think it is. I think ME's for Middle East or something. And we've also got a pair of supposedly working Video 2000 machines, one by Philips, one by PYE. So we'll be taking a look at those in more detail, probably this coming weekend once I've got all the machines into storage. We've also got a Grundig 2x4 stereo, very like the other two Grundig decks that I had, which I've now passed on to another enthusiast for them to take a look at. But I've got the stereo version, so that's going to be interesting to take a look at that. So I'd like to say thank you very much to Richard, who very kindly donated these machines. And they're certainly going to be providing me with a bit of a challenge to get them working, and also to see exactly what we've got. So thanks once again. And yeah, so those will be coming out at the weekend, and we'll be taking a further look at them then. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you have liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and all the standard stuff about subscribing and all that sort of stuff. Thanks for watching.